Hi everyone, this is the 14th video in algebra series and this is section 10.15 parabolas. So today I'm going to talk about two different types of parabolas. One of them x is the independent variable and in the other one y is the independent variable. So let's first start with the general equation for the one that x is the independent variable. You write it as a x minus h to power of 2 equals 4p times y minus k. I'm going to describe all these unknowns. So let's try to graph them and I'm gonna describe them on the graph. Okay, for the first one, which p is greater than 0, and for this one p is less than 0. Let's take a look at the graph. And as you see, it is symmetrical. This point, I'm gonna show right here, is my vertex. Which is h, comma, k. The point exactly right here in orange is my focus point. It's my focus point, and the x and y are h, comma, k plus p. As you see, they have the same x's and they're on the same exact line. And there is another line which we call it directrix. This line's equation, which I'm going to write it in red, is directrix y is equal to k minus p. So right now let's take a look at the other type of it, which is p is less than 0. It looks pretty similar. Again, this is symmetrical. The orange one is going to be my focus. The blue one is going to be my vertex. And the red line is going to be my directrix. And they are going to have the same exact equation. And the black line, as you see, which is x is equal h, and same for here, x is equal h. That's the axis of symmetry. This is parabola type 1. Let's take a look at parabola type 2. The general equation is going to be y minus k to power of 2 is equal 4p times x minus h. As you see here, y is the independent variable. Again, we are going to have two types of graph. The first one is p greater than 0 and the second one is p less than 0. So let's take a look at it. The blue line is going to be my parabola. Which is symmetrical compared to the black line. Point in blue is going to be my vertex one more time, and it's going to be H comma K. I'm going to show the focus point with orange. The focus is H plus P comma K. And with the red line, I'm going to show you guys the directrix. The equation of this line, the directrix, is equal to x is equal to h minus p. H minus p. That's the equation of this line, directrix. So now let's take a look at the other type of it, which p is negative. It is pretty similar but different opening. Again, the blue point is my vertex. The orange point is going to be my focus with the same exact description, and the line in red is going to be my directrix with the exact same equation as this line. There are two types of parabolas. One, the opening is upward or downward, and the other type, the opening is leftward or rightward, and they each have different type of equations that is specified right here. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching our algebra series. If you have any question, you can email it to us at learnmathfastonline@gmail.com. Have a good one.